It's getting harder than ever for senior R&D people to invest in the right technologies at the right time. There's exponentially more emerging technology across time, which makes the playing field larger than ever at an ever-increasing pace. What hasn't changed, however, is how long it takes to find these emerging technologies, to learn about them, and to figure out whether to invest in them or not. This leaves you in a situation where the puzzle is growing faster than you can lay down the pieces. There are three ways to deal with this problem. First of all, and by far the most used way, is to listen to experts, whether internal or external. The good thing about this is that they're experts and that they definitely know what they're talking about. But the downside is that not even a small army of experts can stay up to date with everything that's going on. Another downside is that experts can be biased. Experts tend to favor their own area of expertise. It's very difficult to find a combustion engine guy that's going to argue against combustion engines, or to find an EV guy that's going to say that hydrogen is really the future of mobility. Another alternative is to use trend monitoring tools, of which there are thousands. Typically, they'll track the popularity of something. They'll count activity, whether it's in scientific papers, patents, news, or any other data source you can imagine. The problem with this is that when you look throughout history, there's no shortage of very popular, very stupid ideas. And therefore, just monitoring where the herd is going doesn't necessarily help you. The third and final way to deal with the problem is artificial intelligence. For the first time ever, we have enough compute and intelligent enough models to track everything, everywhere at the same time and make sense of it. The beauty of AI is that it never gets bored, it never gets tired, it can track limitless amounts of information, and with metrics that we've developed internally, we can even predict which emerging technologies are going to dominate over other emerging technologies that are competing and emerging at the same time. We're still at the very beginning of this revolution. AI itself is still emerging, but it's getting better faster than any other technology that humankind has seen in its entire history according to our metrics. Therefore, if you want to take a leap over your competitors and beat them on technology investment strategies, now is the time to start taking AI seriously for this use case.